cuts through heavy buildup. Okay. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Follow me, please. This is what we call heavy buildup, people. See that right there? That's called heavy buildup. And I promise you, that product I just showed you ain't gonna remotely do this. And purpose of this particular video is, you know, they're selling these water-based strippers and they just don't work. You know, you guys are wasting time and money on this stuff. I don't know how much this lady just paid for that, but it's like useless stuff, you know. So what I just did is I poured it out. I'm gonna let it sit here for a while and see if it does anything. As of right now, it ain't doing crap. I mean, it ain't even touching it. If you read it, heavy duty stripper cleaner, non-acid, strip wax, and finishes, cuts through heavy duty buildup. So like I said, people, this is called heavy duty buildup. So we're gonna let that sit for 2 minutes, see if it does anything. Purpose of the video is stop wasting money on stuff that doesn't work. You know, instead of telling you guys, I'm gonna start showing you guys other strippers just don't work. Like, they shouldn't even call that stripper. They should call that soap and water, and it's just a cleaner. They should leave the word stripper out. Heavy buildup. You know, they lied to you. So I don't know how much that lady paid, but I guarantee you there's a couple 100,000 more of you that bought that same shit and getting this people rich off of garbage. You understand what I'm saying? That's water. Water is the enemy with these floors. This right here, you can already see, like I said, it's getting it dark, but there's no sealer coming off. There's no sealer. It isn't stripping it, it isn't doing anything. It ain't even gonna clean it. So they lied on that too. This is just impossible. They got, oh, okay, it got it sticky. I've got a little dirt off, I guess. Got off a little dirt. I guess you can say it cleaned it a little. I don't know. It's about coming off, so. This is real heavy duty. This is real heavy buildup. This awesome lady's been putting coats of sealer on here for a long time. So it's really built up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what stripper should really do. And look, see how it immediately it starts to emulsify it and turn it back into what it was. See, the reason you use a chemical and not water is because the chemical penetrates inside and it melts it and removes it from the inside out. And that's what this product is doing. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute so that it can work its magic. And the grout is even worse than the tile, y'all. So see that? How it cuts? See that? See how that other stuff didn't touch it? And they sell that stuff at Home Depot, people. So purpose of the video is don't waste your time, because she actually over on the other side over there, she actually ruined like 5 tiles. I'm actually gonna show you. And that's what she did. She ruined them. I may not be able to fix it. So she came in here with that stripper and her little machine, and she did this whole little area with that crap. I don't think I can fucking fix it, people. I'm gonna try. But that sealer that stripper does weird stuff. There's water in it. Water mixed with the sealer, and it did something weird. It might have left watermarks. So I may or not be able to fix this. So that's kind of the purpose of the video is, don't even try this shit. It doesn't work. If it's a water-based stripper for these type of tiles, removing acrylic, finishes, lacquer, varnished, whatever the freaking material it's made of, it's gotta be chemical. It can't be water. If they even mention water, you know it ain't gonna work. So, and this is what she did. You see how she kind of took it off? It kind of messed up the surface a little here and there. You don't see it along here. See right here? So she just did weird stuff. You know, it's like, listen to me, people. Those people sit there and all they care about is numbers. And if they get a couple 100,000 of you to spend $10, $12 each, they may get millions. You know what I'm saying? That stuff is garbage. They sit in a lab and they make fake wind and fake dirt and no, this is real life. This is what people really do to their floor. You know, this house I'm in right now is huge. This isn't no garbage house. I mean, this house is worth, you know, 5, 10 million. It's a big, expensive adult. It's an awesome house. Point being is, she really took care of it. She did everything. She took care of it. And you see where it got her when she tried to actually do the stripping part of it. So people, stay informed, do your homework. Don't be the practice dummy. Don't ruin your stuff. If you're gonna strip your floors, it has to be a chemical. That's it. So I'm out of here. Let me get some work done. Put that back in her closet. That's this garbage. It looked like she was trying this too, Taylor.